ChatGPT doesn't understand a single word you type, not one. Every time it replies, it's doing one job over and over, turning your entire sentence into a giant list of numbers, multiplying that list against billions of other numbers, and picking the single most probable next word out of 50,000 options. That's it. That's the whole trick. No thoughts, no understanding, just probability math running at insane speed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what next word prediction means mathematically: tokens, vectors, dot products, and softmax, and why a model that's just guessing can sound smarter than most humans.
Step 1. Your sentence gets chopped into tokens, chunks of words, not full words. ChatGPT might become 2 or 3 tokens. Every token maps to an ID number, like a dictionary lookup. Step 2, each ID gets converted into an embedding, a vector of hundreds or thousands of numbers. Think of it as GPS coordinates, but instead of location, it's meaning. Words with similar meaning land close together in this space. King and queen are neighbors. King and banana are far apart. So by the time your sentence hits the model, it's not text anymore. It's a stack of number lists, pure math, ready to be processed.
Here's the core mechanism: self-attention. For every token, the model asks, how relevant is every other token to me right now? It answers this using a dot product. Multiply 2 vectors together, add up the results, get one number. Higher number, higher relevance. This happens between every token and every other token, across dozens of layers stacked on top of each other. This is why the model knows it refers to the dog 3 sentences ago. The dot product score between those 2 tokens is high, so attention pulls that context forward. Millions of these multiplications happen per response. That's the large in large language model.
After all those layers, the model produces one final vector, a raw score for every possible next token. 50,000 plus scores, some huge, some negative, meaningless on their own. Enter Softmax, a function that takes all those raw scores and squashes them into probabilities that add up to 100%. V might get 40%, A might get 22%, Quick might get 3%. Then temperature comes in, a setting that controls randomness. Low temperature? Always pick the top choice, safe but repetitive. Higher temperature? Sometimes pick option 2 or 3, more creative, less predictable. ChatGPT isn't choosing the right word. It's rolling weighted dice.
So here's the uncomfortable truth. Every insightful answer ChatGPT gives you is the result of predicting one token at a time, 50,000 possibilities at a time, purely from probability. No memory of truth, no real understanding, just pattern math trained on trillions of examples. That's also why it hallucinates. It's not lying, it's just picking a high probability token that happens to be wrong. And it's why longer context windows matter. More tokens means more dot products, means better relevance tracking. Next time ChatGPT blows your mind with an answer, remember, underneath it, it's just linear algebra guessing the next puzzle piece, one token at a time. If you want the next video where I break down how attention heads actually split up this work, subscribe, because we're going deeper into the matrix next.